Welcome everybody to another great episode with Ike Felim and the Ike Felim Adventure. Okay, today I'm going to be talking about the snake god plant, and this right here is the ripe fruit of the snake god plant. I'm going to be sharing with you a very sweet substitute for tomato puree, tomato paste. It's very awesome. You can use it for your stew, for your rice, for your vegetable salads. Everything you can use tomato for, you can use this for. And it's way more nutritious. So come with me as I share this with you. Okay? Yeah. Do not fail to hit that like button and subscribe. See ya. Okay, so what do we have here? Now we have a blender. So I'm going to be taking this red covering off the seeds, separate the seeds from the covering and the back. And the skin, I'll put it into the blender. I'll blend it. So let me just put the blender over here. Get it opened. Get it opened. So now do it by hand. That's the seed. As you see, the seed is out. So make space for the seed. Keep the seed there. Then we put this into the blender. So that's how we separate the red covering of the seeds from the seed. We separate them from the seeds and we put them into the blender just like that. So I'm going to do that for all this right here. I'm putting in the blender, then we blend it. So I'm going to stop this video now and come back at the stage where this is all in the blender. Now I'm through separating the seeds from the reddish gelatin covering. You can see some reddish liquid all over the place, and this is it in the blender. So now we're just going to add water to this. This is enough water. Then we blend it. Okay, so let's turn on the blender. Okay, so we are done blending, and now we have our paste. So nice, so good. You can see, very rich. All you need to do is add some other ingredients and spices like pepper, onions, garlic, and make your sauce, make your stew, make your paste, do whatever you want to do with it. It's very rich. As you can see, we're done blending, and this is an awesome paste, a very nutritious paste for cooking. So I hope you like this video. Please hit that like button and subscribe. More videos coming. See ya.